Today I will be talking to you about English learning if you are a beginner, especially studying. Sometimes you want to learn a new language, but you really don't know where exactly to start, and that is why I'm here to help you. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through this with you guys. I hope it helps, and yeah, here we go.
English with Noya.
Okay, so let's talk about your English study plan for beginners. Now, these are the main points you will need to study. They are basic grammar, daily life conversation, and useful phrases. This video will be in 2 parts, and in this part, we will focus on basic grammar. Every language has grammar, and English is no exception. Grammar is what determines if your use of English is correct or incorrect. For the purposes of your beginner study plan, we will focus on these grammar topics: sentence structure, noun, verb, adjectives, prepositions, question words, present simple tense, past tense, future tense, and present continuous. Let's take a look at sentence structure. Sentence structure dictates where each word should be in a sentence. The most basic sentence structure in English is subject, verb, object. A noun tells the name of an animal, place, or thing. It can be the subject or object in a sentence. For example, dog, house, car. A verb is an action word. It tells what the noun is doing. For example, run, swim, dance. Adjectives describe how something looks, acts, feels, smells, tastes, or sounds. Some examples of adjectives are beautiful, loud, funny. Prepositions are a little tricky because they have many uses. They demonstrate place, time, or direction. Here are some examples of different prepositions. Question words usually begin a question and tell you what the speaker is asking. The main words are where, which asks about place, why, which asks about reason, when, which asks about time or date, how, which asks about method or reason, which asks about choice or option, and what, which can ask about various things depending on the noun that the speaker uses. Tense is also a huge part of grammar. It helps to explain the time frame in which something happened. To start, it is best to study the following: present simple tense, past tense, future tense, and present continuous. Present simple tense is used when referring to routines, things that are true now, or facts. Past tense talks about experiences that have already happened. Future tense is used for experiences that are going to happen, while present continuous is used to talk about things that are happening now. Now, there you have it, part 1 of your personal study plan. Next week, we will look at part 2, which will focus on conversation topics and useful phrases. So, make sure you look out for that video. Until next time, see you!